Welcome to this home tour. I love the front porch and I am excited to show you what's inside. 2,337 square feet, configurable as 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 to 4 baths, with a study and a 2-car garage. Great home. Look at this, we can see straight through. You have the dining room on the left. And we're going to come back here. There's actually a bedroom and bathroom on the left and another one on the right. But let's start in the heart of the home. Well, not quite. We're not in the kitchen, but here is the study. And I've seen this before and I can't remember where, but I really kind of love the idea. It's like your own little lounge here next to your dining room. So you have the space if you like reading, whatever your hobbies are, right here. Still plenty of room. And I mean, that's a long dining room table, and it could be considerably longer next to the kitchen. And look at this kitchen. Microwave oven in the wall. Microwave and oven. Nice white cabinetry. So cabinetry here. Gorgeous countertops, 6-burner gas cooktop, stainless steel French door refrigerator with water, undermount sink, and this view from the kitchen right out to the living room. Gorgeous. Here's your pantry. So this kitchen is big. We don't have a separate morning kitchen, but we do have both the counter space over here to the right of the refrigerator, of course, all the standard kitchen counter space, and then this whole little study / lounge area, which I would set that up as a bar. I think that would be really cool. Your own indoor personal happy hour destination. All right, here's our living room, situated in the corner of the home. So we have windows on 2 sides, are really pretty. How about sophisticated black and white palette with, I love the wood look floors in here. Really pretty. These actually look like real wood. I wonder if they are. They took the 12 by 24 tile and turned it sideways for the fireplace. Really pretty. Let's look back at that kitchen too. And it is storming outside. We are finally getting rain. I love it. Here is the laundry room. You have your washer and dryer. A separate area for folding. And was it 3 sets of double doors and a single door? You have a linen closet, which is actually really nice, right outside the laundry room. A lot of times it's in the hallway, kind of far away. It'll make it a lot easier to put things away. Really nice master suite. Look at that fan. That is so pretty. And again, this rare sight of rain. Rain in the desert. I love it. So primary suite. Very deep. Lots of space. We have our double vanity. This bathroom is wide. I like the width. There's no door or anything. You could put, even double barn doors here that would close. That would look really pretty. Or just leave it open. Separate room for your bowl. A nice shower. With a bench, penny tile on the floor, and then closet, nice size. So hard to see in the camera, right? But we have shelving here, and then hanging space on 3 sides. And let's come back out, and we're definitely not going to go outside this minute. Let's go check out the other bedrooms in the front of the house. Maybe a close up of this floor. That. It's got to be. No, I don't know. I think it's vinyl. We'll ask him at the sales office before we head out. Okay, left, right, left, right. Let's go left. So we have a ensuite bathroom, full bathroom with a tub. Here is the bedroom and a closet. A little on the smaller side, probably about 5 feet. Not a walk-in, but it's a guest bedroom, so or secondary. Little drop zone when you come in. This is another closet area from the garage, and through here is the garage entrance. Okay. So the other side, there's the front door on the other side. So if we were to go left when we came in. Now here is your 3/4 bath, and this would be your guest bathroom because it's not inside the bedroom like the other one was actually inside the bedroom. I tiled all the way up to the top. I love that. And another bedroom. This one has a little bit bigger closet. So if you were going to have somebody staying permanently, you'd kind of have to pick. This room has the bigger closet, but the bathroom is shared as the guest bathroom, versus this room has a little smaller closet, but it has a private bathroom. So good parts for each. All right, let's go outside and soak in some of that Arizona rain. Oh, love the storms here. The monsoons are amazing. If you live in an area that does not have monsoons, one, you probably don't live in the desert. But these storms just kind of come in and they rain and they go. It's the end of summer. So have a nice built-in barbecue, bar, little table and chairs out there. Woo! And it's windy. That is a nice storm. And then it's really nice that it has the double doors. So when you open that up, plus you could open up your windows over here. You get a nice breeze through the house. All right, there we go. Another fantastic model home. In this one, the surprise, the thing that I really love is this lounge area. That is super cool. And because this home is configured as 3 bedrooms or possibly 4 bedrooms, I can only imagine that if it was a 4th bedroom, this lounge area would then be converted to your 4th bedroom, or it could actually make a really cool office space. So this model also comes with a 3-car garage option instead of a 2-car garage, which is another great upgrade. But they do have several versions of this available. There are different elevations, of course, different interior finishes. I do like this one with the black and white palette, really pretty, but the cabinets, white. The hardware, black. The floors, neutral, natural wood, gorgeous. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe to my channel for more home tours, information about Prescott and buying a home in our beautiful city. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.